Hello everyone, we are WIGBD Bangladesh. Today we are gonna show you the unboxing of blonde colored mono frontless along with the description and details. The color code is #613. In this hair system, the mono frontless base offers a secure and comfortable fit. The base measurement is 8x10. The lace front seamlessly blends with your skin, creating a flawless and undetectable hairline. The density is 120% and the hair length is 6 inches. However, the wig combines style, comfort, versatility to give you a natural and confident look. You are required to simply position the wig on your head, adjust the straps for a secure fit, and attach the frontless for a seamless hairline. As a result, the mono frontless wig allows you to effortlessly transform your hairstyle to suit any occasions. Moreover, giving you some maintenance tips: avoid exposing the wig to excessive heat from styling tools such as curling irons, straighteners, or hot rollers. Do not soak this hair system in water for a long time. You can use a mild shampoo specifically formulated for wigs, but avoid applying it to the base. Following these tips will ensure that your wig remains beautiful and long-lasting, enhancing your style and confidence. Before you finish the video, please be informed we are giving a special offer to the wholesalers who's gonna order in a large quantities. For more details, please visit our website www.wigbd.com and knock us on WhatsApp for an immediate response. Thank you so much and have a nice day.